What's up guys, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson we're going to be learning about the D harmonic minor scale. Now in order to figure out the D harmonic minor scale, there are two methods that we can use. The first method has to do with tweaking the D natural minor scale. So that is, in order to figure out the D harmonic minor scale, one thing we could do is to increase the seventh note of the D natural minor scale by a half step, and that is going to give us the D harmonic minor scale. The other method that we could use to figure out the D harmonic minor scale is to use the formula. Now in this lesson we're going to use both methods, and you're going to see that we're going to get the same answer. So yeah, let's start. So first of all, we're going to use the first method. Now just to remind you, the D natural minor scale looks like this. See that? That is the D natural minor scale. Now in order for us to build the D harmonic minor scale, all we have to do is just increase the seventh note of the D natural minor scale by a half step. So yeah, let's do that. Now, let's count up the scale as we move up the scale. So starting from the key of D, so we want to build the D harmonic minor scale. So starting from the key of D, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the seventh note would have been the key of C if we were building the D natural minor scale. But because we want to build the D harmonic minor scale, the seventh note is not going to be the key of C. The seventh note is going to be the key of C sharp. And the last note is going to be the key of D. See that? So yeah, that is the D harmonic minor scale. So let's do that again once more. So see that? That is the D harmonic minor scale. Now the other method that we could have used to figure out the D harmonic minor scale is to use the formula. Now this is how the formula goes. Now just to remind you, whenever you move from one key to the next key, that is known as moving by a half step. So for example, if I move from the key of D to the key of E flat, then that means that I've moved by a half step. So moving from one key to the next key without skipping any key, that is known as moving by a half step. Now moving from one key to another key and skipping a key in between is known as moving by a whole step. So for example, if I move from the key of D to the key of E, I've skipped one key in between. Therefore, this means that I've moved by a whole step. Now moving from one key to another key and skipping two keys in between is known as moving by 1.5 steps. So if you move from one key to another key and you skip two keys in between, then that means that you've moved by 1.5 steps. I'm just defining these terms because we're going to be using these terms while using the formula to construct the D harmonic minor scale. So yeah, let's use the formula to construct the D harmonic minor scale. So starting from the key of D, the formula goes like this. So starting from the key of D, we're going to take a whole step, and then a half step, and then a whole step, and then a whole step, and then a half step, and then 1.5 steps, which means skipping two keys. So we're going to skip the key of B and the key of C, and we're going to land on the key of C sharp, and then a half step. See that? So yeah, that is the D harmonic minor scale. Now let's do that once more. So starting from the key of D, we're going to take a whole step, and then a half step, and then a whole step, and then a whole step, and then a half step, and then 1.5 steps, and then a half step. See that? So yeah, that is the D harmonic minor scale. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.